Good afternoon. This is call number 2021-30171 in the interest of Rihanna Romero. Parties and witnesses, please raise your right hand to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Elida Duran, mother of Rihanna Romero.
All right. And representing Attorney General, State of Texas.
Luis Regla.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent, Jose Luis Romero, was personally served at 301 Rosewood Hills Drive in Garland, Dallas County, Texas, at 12:20 p.m. on October 27, 2021. He's not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct?
That's correct, Judge.
Further, there was an attempt to notify him of this Zoom hearing by certified mail. Return receipt requested that remained unclaimed. We'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge, and I'll offer that as Exhibit A, and I said it be admitted.
All right. Have you had an opportunity to look at this letter, Ms. Duran?
Yes, I have, sir.
You have any objections of me admitting it into evidence?
No.
Okay, State's Exhibit A is admitted in evidence.
Thank you, Judge. I'll also offer what's been marked as State's Exhibit B. This is the financial activity report in this case, and I ask that it also be admitted.
Ms. Romero, Duran, have you had an opportunity to look at the pay record?
Yes, sir.
You have any objections of me admitting it?
No.
All right, State's Exhibit B is admitted.
Thank you, Judge. I'll call the mother as a witness now.
Okay.
Ms. Duran, in this case, you're requesting to be reimbursed for medical expenses you paid for your child. Is that true?
Yes, that's true.
And in fact, you took pictures of the documents and receipts that you sent to the father where you made your demand that he reimburse you $1,125. Is that correct?
Yes.
And those photos were compiled as Exhibit C. And is that also true?
Yes, that's true.
And you had a chance to look at Exhibit C?
Yes.
And you personally took those photos, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, none of those photos appear to be altered and are two incorrect copies of the photos you took. Is that all true?
That's true.
Included in there is a receipt from Hermosa Dental, a receipt for which you paid with a credit card $2,250. Is that true?
Yes, that's true.
Okay. And in regards to Exhibit C as a combined exhibit, are you asking the court to admit this exhibit of proof of the demand you made of the father for earned reimbursed medical expenses?
Yes.
If I can, Judge, at this time I'm going to offer what's been marked as Exhibit C. I have no objection to this being admitted as the mother's exhibit of her unreimbursed medical expenses.
All right, State's Exhibit C is admitted.
Thank you, Judge. And ma'am, the unreimbursed medical expenses of the 4,000 total expense, the insurance paid $1,500, correct?
That's correct.
The amount not paid by the insurance was $2,250.
Yes, that's correct.
And you paid the total amount back in July of 2020. Is that true?
Yes, that's true.
The half that the father is responsible for, and you're requesting reimbursement of is $1,125. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
So would you agree with the state that in this proposed default order today confirming the arrears, the court should take a judgment on child support arrears as of August 31st, 2022, the amount of $7,439.30? Would you agree with that?
Yes,
That the father should be ordered to pay you back that amount at the rate of $87 a month beginning October 1st, 2022. Is that correct?
yes, correct.
In regards to the medical support arrears, as of August 31st, 2022, medical support arrears of $553.30. Is that correct?
Yes,
The court grants your judgment. You would like to combine both of those total amounts for unreimbursed medical plus the medical support arrears combined for a total of $1,670.30 as of August 31st, 2022. Is that correct?
yes,
And you agree with the state, the court should order Mr. Romero to pay back that combined medical support balance at the rate of $58 a month beginning October 1st, 2022.
yes,
And do you believe this court orders in your child's best interest?
yes, that's correct.
You know, you're asking the court to grant this default order against Mr. Romero.
Yes,
Judge, I'll pass the witness.
Okay, the court will approve the order as submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Ms. Duran.
Thank you.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you. You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Judge.
Mhm. Good afternoon. This is call number 2015-67907. In the interest of Galilea Rios, all parties, please raise your right hand and be sworn. And witnesses, you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Yes, I do.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name's Adriana Gonzalez, and I'm the mother.
All right, and representing the state of Texas.
Kavita Sharma, Your Honor.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent, Victor Guadalupe Rios. Mr. Rios was personally served, or rather served under Rule 106, Texas Rules of Civil Procedure on October 30th, 2021 at 8:06 a.m. at 710 South 7th Street in LaPorte, Harris County, Texas, which is his usual place of residence, and he has not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, then we'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge, and I would like to ask the court to take judicial notice of the prior agreed order that was signed August 11th of 2016.
All right,
And also, Judge, we have the financial activity report in this case that's been marked as State's Exhibit 1. I'd like to ask that that also be admitted into evidence.
okay, Ms. Gonzalez, have you had an opportunity to look at that pay record?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
Do you have any objections of me admitting that into evidence?
No, Your Honor.
Court will also take note that Mr. Romero was attempted, that the state attempted to notice Mr. Romero of this hearing, sets a date by certified mail, return receipt requested, which remained unclaimed. So State's Exhibit 1 is admitted.
Thank you, Judge. I'd like to call Miss Natasha Williams.
Okay.
Miss Williams, are you currently employed with the Office of the Attorney General as a child support officer?
I am.
And what are your duties as a child support officer?
To investigate and calculate non-custodial parents' wage information in pursuant to the Texas Family Code.
And have you had an opportunity to calculate child support in this matter?
Yes.
Please share your calculations with the court.
The non-custodial parents' wage information is $6,360.52 monthly. The net resources is $4,791.29, with medical support being set at $286 per month beginning October 1st, 2022. Child support would be $958 per month beginning October 1st, 2022. There's also a medical support judgment of $144.03 as of August 31st, 2022, with a recommended payout beginning October 1st, 2022 of $51 per month.
Thank you. And is that the conclusion of your calculations?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge. I pass this witness.
Ms. Gonzalez, do you have any questions of Ms. Williams?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Williams, since you got remarried, it seems like you've turned blue.
That's my shirt, Judge.
Are you sad?
I am not. I am not at all.
Okay, may she be excused, Ms. Sharma?
She can be, Judge.
All right, you're excused, Ms. Williams. Thank you.
Yes, Judge. I'd like to call the mother next, Miss Adriana Gonzalez.
All right.
Miss Gonzalez, you're familiar with the prior order, agreed order that you signed along with Mr. Rios in 2016, setting child support at 0. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am. That's correct.
And at that time, why did you set child support at 0?
We were working it to get back together. So we were living together at that time.
Thank you. And you all separated when?
We separated this November will be 3 years.
And you understand that because there was no child support set, there's not going to be any back child support for the past 3 years. Is that correct?
That is correct. Yes.
However, there is a past due amount in the medical support judgment that you've reviewed in the financial activity report of $143.03. Is that correct?
That is correct. Yes.
And are you asking the judge to order Mr. Rios to pay that at $51 a month beginning October 1st?
That is correct. Yes.
And are you asking the court to modify that previous child support order and now set current child support at $958 beginning October 1?
That is correct.
And are you asking the court that you maintain the health insurance for the child
That is correct.
and that Mr. Rios is ordered to reimburse that at $286 a month
Correct.
beginning October 1?
Yes.
And do you agree to pay half of any uncovered health costs?
Yes, I do.
And have you reviewed and signed this order today, believing it's in the best interest of your child?
Yes, it is.
Thank you, Judge. I pass this witness.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted.